Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar water pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the DD Caffer Solar Fountain Water Pump. This is the most budget-friendly option in our lineup, priced at just $8.98. Despite its low cost, this model offers some impressive features. It's a floating solar fountain that starts working within seconds of being exposed to sunlight, requiring no batteries or external power. It's ideal for bird baths, small ponds, and garden decoration, and its simple design makes it exceptionally easy to use. The DD Caffer pump is lightweight and compact, with a plastic construction that feels a bit less durable than some of the other models on this list. It comes with 4 plastic retainers to keep it centered in your bird bath, reducing random movement. While the solar panel is efficient under direct sunlight, it doesn't store energy, so you'll need consistent sunshine for continuous operation. Cleaning the pump regularly is essential to prevent clogging, but this process is straightforward thanks to its simple design. The DD Caffer solar fountain is best suited for consumers looking to add a touch of charm to their outdoor spaces without breaking the bank. Its affordability, ease of use, and versatility make it a great entry-level option. However, its lack of advanced features, such as battery backup or multiple spray nozzles, might be limiting for users with more demanding needs. Taking the third spot is the Lawoho Solar Fountain Pump Kit, priced at $11.99. This model offers excellent value for those who want a step up in features without a significant price increase. One of its standout features is the separate solar panel with a 3-meter cable, allowing you to position the panel in optimal sunlight while placing the pump in shaded or hard-to-reach areas. It includes 4 nozzles, enabling you to customize the water flow and fountain effects. The pump itself is lightweight but well-constructed, with a built-in filter to prevent clogging. This is a great feature for those using the pump in outdoor environments where debris might collect in the water. Performance-wise, the Lawoho pump works reliably in direct sunlight, but like many other models in this price range, it lacks a battery backup. This means it won't operate in low light conditions or at night. However, its straightforward setup and user-friendly design make it a hassle-free choice for beginners. The Lawoho Solar Fountain Pump Kit strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. It's ideal for small ponds, bird baths, and patio gardens, while it doesn't offer the premium features of higher-end models. Its separate solar panel design and customizable nozzles make it a versatile and practical option. In second place, we have the Iceton 3.5-watt solar fountain pump. This model offers a significant upgrade in power and versatility with a 3.5-watt solar panel for higher energy conversion efficiency. The Iceton pump comes with multiple nozzles, allowing you to create various water spray patterns. Its retractable fixed brackets are a thoughtful addition, ensuring stability and preventing water from splashing out of your basin. What sets this pump apart is its separate design, which gives you the freedom to create custom water features. The 9.8-foot cord allows you to place the solar panel in sunny areas while keeping the water pump in shaded or indoor locations. The Iceton pump also includes water shortage protection and a built-in filter, which help extend the pump's lifespan and reduce maintenance needs. However, it doesn't store energy, so it only operates in direct sunlight. The Iceton solar fountain pump is perfect for users who want a high-performance, eco-friendly option with plenty of customization possibilities. It's slightly more expensive than basic models, but the additional features and reliable performance make it well worth the investment. This pump is ideal for garden enthusiasts who want to create dynamic water features or maintain fish tanks and small ponds. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Beiling 5.5-watt solar fountain. This is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. With a powerful 5.5-watt solar panel made of A+ grade monocrystalline silicon, this pump delivers unmatched efficiency and durability. What truly sets the Beiling apart is its 3,000 mAh battery backup, which stores energy for cloudy days or evening use. This means the pump can operate even when sunlight isn't available, a feature that's rarely found in solar water pumps. The build quality is excellent, with an upgraded ceramic motor shaft for quieter operation and a longer lifespan. The pump comes with 5 nozzles offering various water flow styles and 5-foot tubing for added flexibility. It's also easy to install and completely wire-free, making it perfect for bird baths, small ponds, fish tanks, and hydroponics. The solar panel's glass protective layer ensures durability and high light transmittance, meaning you won't have to worry about wear and tear over time. While the Beiling solar fountain is the most expensive option on our list, its advanced features and superior performance make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a reliable all-day solution. Whether you're a hobbyist gardener or just want to keep your bird bath running day and night, the Beiling solar fountain is the ultimate choice for versatility, power, and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.